Introduction. Data input outsourcing has gained traction among global business processes. In recent times, outsourcing data input services to Indian companies has become a means to uncover a plethora of benefits. It is a long-term investment that streamlines an organization's internal operations and reduces unwanted expenses. By doing this, you will get services from industry experts. Despite the industry and size of the business, any organization can opt for data input outsourcing to Data Entry Inc. in India. This blog is to explore the top benefits of outsourcing data input services in 2026. Outsourcing data input services is highly profitable in terms of generating fast leads, data management, revenue, and saving time. Many industrial and marketing companies are burdened with plenty of back-office data and workloads. They handle diverse office tasks, including invoicing, accounting, billing, purchasing, and procurement. All such processes result in an overload of paper documents. If these documents are not managed properly, it can result in extra pressure, leading to a business downfall. Services provided by a data input service provider. When you hire a data input company like Data Entry Inc., you will get numerous services, including online and offline data input service. An online input service is to input data into database WES or Excel sheets via websites, online forms, or e-commerce platforms. Whereas offline service is to input data to a file manually. Image and CAPTCHA data input service. In this service, image data or CAPTCHA data is input in the required format. It's need accuracy to input data from image and CAPTCHA, so rely on expert services. Data processing and extraction service. This is to process and extract data for use in the future, so that user can get benefits from it. Our expert team handle data processing services with ease. Data indexing and abstracting service. This data input service includes the data indexing into finding data easily at the time of use. You can also abstract data for use. PDF conversion service. In this service, data is converted into PDF files from Word documents. As it requires expertise, we handle this task with accuracy and focus. Document data entry service. Data input into Word documents is essential, and with our expert teams, we deliver it with quick turnaround time without compromising on quality. Input data of questionnaire. For some organizations like the HR department, the questionnaire is required. A data input service provider company does this work for them. Customized email mining and list making. Customized email mining and list making service is used to send bulk information through email ID of customers. Data input service from enrollment forms. Employees' enrollment forms are entered in a specific format for easy access and can be used for various purposes. Copy and paste data input service. This is a mundane data input word that needs more time and less attention. Outsourcing this service to Data Entry Inc. will be the right decision to save cost and time. Benefits of outsourcing a professional data input service company. Partnering with a trustworthy and standardized data input service company means partnering with a reliable partner that takes care of all your data input, conversion, processing, cleansing, and data functions. Some of the admirable advantages of outsourcing data input service are listed below. Quality service results. A well-trained and practiced data input service company provides you with competitive employees for faster results. It is helpful for more rapid growth and development opportunities for your business venture. Data security. Data input service provides efficient task management to keep your data safe and secure. All official data, including information of the company's prestigious employees, customers, and the company, is always in safe hands. Enhance productivity. You can expand your business productivity with data input experts by your side. A data input service has become a demand in the world among all sectors. We can fix all your data quality issues, ensuring 100% error-free data entry. Saves precious time. For a smooth business run, time is crucial. To make ends meet at a framed time is significant for serving business purposes more proficiently than ever. Time for more core business tasks. Increased sense of importance and focus. If you are in immediate need of access to business data, or your clients, employees, or stakeholders need reports, working data, or product information, you are in need of an online working model. Ushering global work distribution. When you hire a data input company, your workload is distributed. You can give your entire attention to primary goals for increasing sales and community response. Proficient data management. Expert management of data is the considerable benefit of data input services. Getting all record data in the required format is essential for your business. Online versus offline data entry. There are two types of data input, online and offline. The difference between the two depends on the internet for data processing. Likewise, offline data input services are carried out manually without internet resources. Conclusion. Overall, the data input service is to perform digital tasks like annotating and tagging data and images, and updating CRMs online. While the offline data input service is for serving the purpose of filling data in manual forms that are a bit difficult to handle. The wise decision is to outsource data input service to a dependable service provider company like Data Entry Inc.